Today we are going to be looking at the addition of like fractions. What are like fractions? These are fractions that have the same denominators. They have the same denominators. Take for example 3 over 5 and 1 over 5. They have the same denominator of 5. So these are like fractions. What about 3 over 7 and 1 over 7? These are also like fractions because they have the same denominator. 9 over 13, 1 over 13. They are also like fractions because they have the same denominator. So what are the steps in the addition of like fractions? The first step is only add the numerators. Only add the numerators. And then the second step is to write the result of your step 1 over the same denominator, over that same denominator we are talking about. Let's look at a couple of examples for you to better understand what we are explaining right here. Look at this example, 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. What do we need to do? Remember, these are like fractions because they have same denominator. First step is add the numerators. What are the numerators? 1 and 2. So that's going to give me 1 plus 2. And then step 2 says write the result of step 1 over the same denominator. The denominator is 5, so this is over 5. In that case, 1 plus 2 is 3 over 5. Okay, this should be pretty easy for you right now. Let's look at second example. 4 over 9 plus 1 over 9. Take note, the first step is to add the numerator 4 plus 1 and then put that over this common denominator, which is 9. So at the end of it is going to be 4 plus 1 is 5 over 9. Very good. Let's look at the third example. 8 over 13 plus 4 over 13. Take note, these are also like fractions because they have the same denominator. The denominator is 13. Numerator is 8 and 4. So that will be 8 plus 4. Common denominator is 13. So that gives me 12 over 13. Let's look at the fourth one. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Go ahead and pause this video to check yourself if you understand this concept. All right, go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's see if you were able to get the right answer. Again, 2 and 3 are the numerator, so that will be 2 plus 3. And the denominator is 7. So in that case, that gives me 2 plus 3 is 5 over the denominator 7. If you got that wrong, Let's look at another example. Maybe with this fifth example, you might be able to understand the concept better. 6/10 plus 3/10. These are like fractions because they have common or same denominator 10. How do we solve this? The numerators are 6 and 3, therefore we are going to add them. Bring down that same denominator. So in that case, you are going to have 6 plus 3 is 9/10. So 6/10 plus 3/10 gives us 9/10. I believe you enjoyed this video, and I believe you are able to understand this concept. I will advise you to go ahead and practice more problems to see if you have been able to understand this concept. All right, if you are new on this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next class.